A boy and his best friend were inseparable for years. One day, the boy shared a deeply personal secret. His friend promised never to tell anyone. A week later, the whole school knew. The friend apologized. He was genuinely sorry. Over time, they became friends again. They laughed together. They spent time together. But the boy never shared his deepest secrets with him again. The friendship survived, but the trust didn't. A cracked bell can still ring, but it can never sound the same. Be careful with the trust people place in you. It takes years to build, seconds to break, and sometimes a lifetime to repair. Because a cracked bell can never sound the same.